Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I am trying Just Egg. This is an egg replacer for people who are vegan or who have an egg allergy. I have an egg allergy. I have not had eggs in over 30 years and I am so interested to try this product. So I'm going to show you how to scramble it up. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start frying it up. This is the Just Egg right here. And then if you are vegan, you can use the Earth Balance vegan butter or another kind of vegan butter, or you can use butter or margarine, just regular butter or margarine. So I'm not vegan. I'm not going to use the vegan butter. I have an egg allergy. So my choice is margarine or butter. Butter is best. Sea salt and black pepper to season. I'm also going to put just a little bit of vegetable oil in it. That's just how I've seen it in my culture for years and years, is with butter or margarine and a little bit of vegetable oil. Just a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put this in just a little bit. I think that's about a teaspoon or less. Looks like about 3/4 of a teaspoon. I'm going to put in half of a teaspoon of oil. I'm going to go ahead and pour in the Just Egg. And I'm going to fill the bottom of the skillet. I'm going to let it set just for a second. And I have mine on medium-high heat. So I'm going to go ahead and just start stirring it around. Oh, starting to do something a little fast. Hold on, let me put some salt and pepper in here. Okay, I put some salt and pepper in. I don't have my tripod set up, so. Oh my goodness, this is so interesting to me. I've made eggs before for my husband, but I don't do it on the regular, because sometimes the smell bothers me because I have an allergy. So, scramble this up. I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds. I want to try to get as much of it on camera as I can in real time, so you all will know how long it takes. The eggs kind of look chopped up. Let me chop it. Oh my goodness. I'm excited and nervous at the same time because people with egg allergies have several different responses to eggs. Either you want to upchuck them, or they have your airways to close down. And generally mine is the first. It started when I was 5, and that was the first when I became allergic to it. I think 5 or 6 I started being allergic to it. And yeah, so the sight of eggs sometimes can just make you, so I'm a little nervous. At the same time, I'm excited. So they look like they're ready. Let me go ahead and plate these up. So here they are. I am so nervous because this is the first time, oh my goodness, that I have had, well, this isn't a real egg, but this is the first time I have had any simulation of an egg in over 30 years. I don't even remember what they taste like. So click the little picture at the end of this, the link to the next video, and I will give a live review, a live taste test of this Just Egg product. So stay tuned. Click on the video. Give this video a thumbs up.